Before we embark on this journey through time, if you've not subscribed to our channel yet, now's the perfect moment to do so. Imagine a world teeming with life, yet devoid of humans, mammals, even plants. This was Earth around 3.5 billion years ago, at what we call the dawn of life. Back then, in the warm, nutrient-rich waters of our young planet, the first single-celled organisms began to form. These microscopic life forms were simple, yet remarkably complex in their simplicity. They lacked a nucleus, the control center of a cell, but they thrived in their simplicity. This was life at its most basic, its most raw. These were the prokaryotes, the first living organisms on our planet. Now, how did these life forms come into existence? That's a question that has intrigued and baffled scientists for centuries. One theory suggests that in the rich primordial soup, a mixture of water and chemicals, the conditions were just right for life to spark into existence. Another key player in this drama of life is RNA, often considered a cousin to DNA. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is believed to have been central to the formation of life. It has the ability to store information like DNA and can perform chemical reactions, making it an ideal candidate for the first molecule of life. These early life forms were the beginning of everything. They were the first to harness the power of the sun through a process called photosynthesis, transforming sunlight into energy, and in the process releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. This oxygen buildup would eventually pave the way for more complex life forms. These humble beginnings, these tiny single-celled organisms, set in motion a chain of events that would lead to an explosion of life, a world filled with a diversity of species that boggles the mind. And so, in the warm, nutrient-rich waters of our young Earth, life began. From these simple, single-celled organisms, through billions of years of evolution, came all the life we see today, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, from the simplest algae to the most complex human. These humble beginnings set the stage for the incredible diversity of life we see today. From the simplest of life forms, evolution took a giant leap forward with the emergence of multicellular organisms. This move from one cell to many marked a pivotal point in the history of life on Earth, shifting the course of evolution forever. Imagine, if you will, a world filled with single-celled organisms, each one floating aimlessly in the vast primordial ocean. For billions of years, these tiny life forms had the planet to themselves, replicating and diversifying in the warm, mineral-rich seas. But then, around 600 million years ago, something extraordinary happened. Some of these single-celled organisms began to band together, forming the first multicellular life forms. Now, you might be wondering, why would they do that? Well, it's all about survival. By sticking together, these cells could share resources, protect each other, and even specialize in different tasks. This cooperation opened up a whole new world of possibilities, allowing these first multicellular organisms to grow larger, move faster, and explore new environments. These early organisms were very simple, mostly soft-bodied blobs drifting in the ocean. But over time, they grew more complex. Some developed rigid structures for support, like the first primitive plants. Others evolved ways to move and hunt, laying the groundwork for the first animals. In this brave new world of multicellular life, adaptation was the name of the game. Some species evolved to survive in the deepest oceans, while others took to the skies. Each new environment was a blank canvas, a chance for life to experiment and evolve in astounding new directions. From these humble beginnings, a vast array of biodiversity unfolded. Plants, animals, fungi all sprang from this initial leap from single to multicellular life. The Earth was no longer a world of simple cells, but a bustling, vibrant tapestry of life in all its glorious forms. And so, the stage was set. From the microscopic to the magnificent, from the simplest blob to the most complex creature, life on Earth had taken a monumental step forward. This was the start of a complex web of life that would eventually lead to the rise of the mighty dinosaurs. Now we venture into the era of the dinosaurs, a time when these magnificent creatures roamed the Earth. Our journey takes us back to a period spanning over 160 million years, known as the Mesozoic era. This era, often referred to as the Age of Dinosaurs, saw the rise and reign of some of the most impressive creatures to have ever lived. From the thundering footsteps of the towering long-necked sauropods to the swift and agile velociraptors, the variety of dinosaurs was as vast as the continents they roamed. In the skies, pterosaurs, the flying reptiles, dominated the air, while in the oceans, marine reptiles like the plesiosaurs reigned supreme. Each of these diverse species was a testament to the power of evolution, adapting to their environments in remarkable ways. The herbivorous dinosaurs, such as the Triceratops with its distinct three-horned face, adapted to feed on the lush vegetation of their habitats. Their large bodies and defensive structures were their key to survival in a world teeming with predators. Predatory dinosaurs, on the other hand, were the rulers of the food chain. The infamous Tyrannosaurus rex, with its powerful jaws and razor-sharp teeth, is a perfect example of nature's formidable killing machines. These creatures were not just survivors, but shapers of their world. Their feeding habits influenced the growth and spread of plant life. Their movements shaped the landscape, carving out paths through dense vegetation and even altering the course of rivers. But even these titans had their Achilles heel. Despite their size, strength, and adaptations, they were not invincible. A catastrophic event, a massive asteroid impact, is widely believed to have triggered a series of environmental changes that proved too severe for these giants. The world darkened, temperatures plummeted, and the once thriving ecosystems collapsed. Food became scarce and survival a challenge too great even for these mighty creatures. And so, after ruling the Earth for millions of years, the dinosaurs met their end. But even the mighty dinosaurs couldn't escape the ruthless hand of extinction. Just as suddenly as they had appeared, the dinosaurs vanished from the face of the Earth. A reign that spanned over 160 million years abruptly brought to an end. Theories abound, but the most prevalent one is that of the asteroid impact, a cataclysmic event that reshaped the course of life on Earth. Picture, if you will, a celestial object, roughly 6 miles in diameter, hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds. One fine day, about 66 million years ago, it collides with our planet, a cataclysmic event that leaves a crater over 100 miles wide and 20 miles deep, known today as the Chicxulub crater, located in what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. The impact would have released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, causing massive wildfires, triggering tsunamis, and sending a blanket of dust and debris into the atmosphere. This would have blocked out sunlight for months, if not years, leading to what is known as an impact winter. Temperatures plummeted, plant life withered, and the food chain collapsed. This catastrophic event is believed to have led to the mass extinction of not just the dinosaurs, but roughly 3/4 of all species on Earth at the time. An era of giants was brought to a chilling end, but as one door closes, another opens. In the aftermath of this mass extinction, the stage was set for new life to evolve, to fill the void left by the dinosaurs, the rise of mammals, and eventually the emergence of us, humans. From the ashes of destruction, life found a way, adapting and evolving in ways that continue to astound us. It's a testament to the resilience of life, a testament to the power of evolution. The demise of the dinosaurs marked the end of an era, but it was just the beginning for other species. It's a story of resilience, of renewal, and of the unending dance of life and death that has shaped our world. And it's a story that continues to unfold as we humans now find ourselves at the helm, writing the next chapter in the grand saga of life on Earth. In the wake of the dinosaurs' extinction, life found a way to thrive once again. The planet, once dominated by massive reptilian giants, was now up for grabs. Amidst this vast void, mammals, once small and inconspicuous, began to seize the day. No longer living in the shadows of the dinosaurs, these mammals began to evolve in a myriad of forms and sizes. Some took to the skies, others to the seas, while many remained on the solid ground, exploiting every available niche. Over millions of years, this flourishing and diversification of mammals would lead to the creatures we are familiar with today, from the smallest mouse to the largest whale. But the story doesn't stop there. Among these flourishing mammals, a group known as primates began to develop. These tree-dwelling creatures, with their forward-facing eyes and grasping hands, were the ancestors of a lineage that would ultimately lead to us, humans. From the first primates swinging in the trees to the first hominids walking on two legs, this was a journey of evolution that spanned millions of years. It was a journey marked by periods of trial and triumph, survival and extinction. But through it all, life persisted, and so from the ashes of the dinosaurs rose a new era of life on Earth. Our journey through time has shown us the incredible resilience and adaptability of life. We've seen life emerge from single-celled organisms, evolve into a world dominated by dinosaurs, and then adapt once again to the rise of mammals after a catastrophic event. Life on Earth is an ever-changing, ever-evolving story, one that we're still writing today. If you're intrigued by this journey through time and want to explore more scientific content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below with your thoughts and ideas. Until next time.